Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by identifying the exact pixel model and charger spec, so you buy the real part. Go to Settings About, write down Model and FCC ID. Once done, inspect the original box or receipt for matching SKU and the charger output label. This prevents mismatched wattage or protocol. Make sure to note voltage and amperage. Pixel chargers use USB-C power delivery in specific ranges, so you can distinguish originals from lookalikes quickly and confidently. Next, you continue by targeting verified sellers to avoid fakes. Start with the Google Store, then authorized retailers and manufacturer-certified marketplaces. As you search, compare the FCC ID, SKU, and printed PD specs against your notes. If those match, the charger is likely original. Once you find a candidate, scrutinize product photos for serial labels and molded text on the charger body. If a listing omits these images or the specs differ, skip it and move on to another verified source. Finally, purchase from the verified seller and verify on delivery. Plug it into your Pixel and check for the fast charge indicator. Observe charge rate and device temperature. If it charges slowly, lacks PD handshake, or the plug feels light or misaligned, that indicates a counterfeit. Once verified, keep packaging and serial for warranty. If problems occur, immediately stop using the charger and request a return or refund. This protects your battery and prevents long-term damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.